So I'm spending some quality time with my babies. Hi Bella. Hi Karin. Oh, they're busy eating pa. They're both in heat right now, so magkaaway sila. And then yun, there's Shreya, who's still eating. You're done na eating, Shreya? Ooh, bakit maingay ang baby ko? Ayun. She likes going up her arm. Oh, why man? What's the problem? How about you? You wanna go up na? Oh, go up na. Friends lang ha, hindi mag-aaway ha. Don't fight, okay? Hindi mag-aaway. Friends lang muna kayo ni Mommy. Oh. And then, ito yung napaka-arte ko at napaka-spoiled na baby girl. Si Shreya. Shreya! 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 Hey, Shreya! Love, Daddy? Ha? Wala ka pang ligo. Punta tayo ng groomers. We need to go to the groomers, ha? Okay? Punta tayo ng groomers, Shreya. Ha? O ikaw, bakit? Anong trip mo? Ha? These were their old cages until I got them their own room. So, but I had to place a gate para hindi sila mag-away ng dog ni Shreya. Kasi she's very friendly, but then the way she treats them is very harsh. Kasi she's very big. She's not aware. For them, friends lang sila, mga ate niya. Problem, naguguluhan yung dalawa. You know how cats are. Ayaw na din idisturbo sila. Shreya always wants to play most of the time, so she ends up being a little too rough with them. So I had to place this gate, and initially early this year, around like a month or two back, the gate was only up to this part. But then she suddenly grew up so fast, and she's able to go up, and that's why I have to put this wooden plank. She always finds a way to go up the gate. Kahit ganyan pa kataas yung gate na yan. So she's such a... You can see how big she is. Ano yan? Parang Spider-Man niya. Spider-Woman. Spider-Girl. No. Umaakyat dyan. Dito yan. No? Sumasampa dito. Tapos umaakyat dito. Kaya I have to place the kahoy there. Hi Shreya, good morning. How you doing? Huh? How you doing? Say good morning. Say I love you. Say I love you to everybody. Say I love you, Daddy. I love you. Say I love you. Sige na. Sige na. Say I love you muna. I love you muna. I love you. I love you. I love you. Snoop, not allowed to go out. Say I love you. Huh? I love you. You love Daddy? You love Daddy? I love you. I love you too.